There is no other. Okay guys, we're at the beach. It's very, very windy. But you guys recognize it? It's California Beach. Okay, let me a 600. A few people braving it. Anyways, let's get to it. Happy, some piles. There it is. Penny for Lenny. Oh, Lenny like a tiny penny, a tiny penny. Trying to get this without. There it is. Screw cap. Look, it's in Chinese. Okay, there we go. Interesting. Let's keep going. These people are braving the wind. It's like 25 miles out west. 14. I have to use my pinpointer because I throw too much sand. Another one. There we go. See like JJ James. That's dime. Okay, send you for right. There's some more little fish below. The wind is windy. Another dime in the wet. Wet. Dime. And it pushes it back in the hole. Is that it? We get one of these things. Don't know what it is. It's a puppy dog. That's what we got. I think it's a puppy dog. Or snail. I don't know. Everybody use your imagination. Look at the hole. There's a puppy dog. Okay, to the next one. Plugs. Go fill in this hole, please. That's where we came from. Out of EMI detector. That's where we're going. Other side of the pier. Hey guys. It is another quarter. First quarter actually. Anyways. Other side of the pier. Show you around. So a little bit more packed. A little less wind. Look at that here. More people on this side. Let's get to it. 29:30. Yeah, 29:30. Gotta be a quarter, huh? Air points. 6:30. Look, it's on the edge. Should be right now, right? Should be right now. Order, guys. That was a lousy day, right? He's got to throw a far hole. No camera. Ready? These are someone's eyeglasses. There you go. Hey guys, we got us a green zoom. Can't see the screen, it's dirty. Oh, that is. We got some zooms. Here we go. Here's looking at you, kid. Pair of sunglasses. They got the frames. Cheapos. Oh, they're not cheapos. You say Ray-Bans. Hell. The hell do I know? What the heck do I know? Alrighty. That's a pair of Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans for Ray Ray. Big hole for a vape. Ooh, here comes a rock. Just in time. Okay, forward. Thank you. Hey guys. Really windy. I found another one. Let's it up at home. Okay guys. Another looks aluminum. Very light. Let me see. Around 12. Unbendable. Okay guys, we're leaving Santa Monica Beach, Santa Monica Pier, Santa Monica Wind, Santa Monica Sand. See you guys at home. Okay guys, back from our Santa Monica Beach metal detecting trip. I was out there with California Beach Cleaner. I'd like to thank him for lending me his spare detector. Without him, this wouldn't have been possible. So you guys go check him out. I'll leave a link below. And I believe he has a 350 sub giveaway. So go check out his link. Go check out the giveaway. Get some subs. Well, this is from last night. That's last night. I got aluminum cans. I got more aluminum cans. I just didn't put them up there. No room. 110 steak, miscellaneous crap. Tons of bottle caps like always. We got these metal packets. Ketchup packets and mustard packets. I got them in the basket. This goes to those instant cameras. I found an instant camera last time, but now I found a picture with no picture. It's a ghost picture. Junk, candle. We got 2 lighters, CO2 cartridge. We got a vape, 2 eyeglass lenses, pull tabs. What else do we get? We got us a zoom zoom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Alright. For my doggy to play with. We got us lots of clad. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 25 and quarters. Let's see. $1, 10 dimes. 2 nickels and what, 17 pennies? Not bad. We got this thing. Hold on, let me get it in my hand. What is it? Use your imagination. Let me know what it is down below. I couldn't tell you. I thought it was a dog, but it's not a dog. Who knows? Use your imagination. Let me know. Let me know what you think it is. It has a pair of Ray-Bans. Great condition. Not scratched. So, just got to bend one of the arms back in. Somebody had a crooked head. Anyways, Ray-Bans. Cool. Put those back on the pile. Let's get close up and personal. Got this aluminum junk ring. I don't know if I got a video or not. It was so windy that day that everything was just difficult. I got this crapper ring. It's a crapper ring. It's not a 925er or nothing. It's all peeling everywhere. So it's a crapper ring. And we got one of these cool rainbow rings. A ring up at 20, I believe. I think it's a tungsten. There's a marking in there, but I couldn't make it out. There's that marking. Anyways, it was a 3-ringer. 3-ringer day. 3 rings for Ray. There you go, guys. See you guys on the next hunt. Let's get back to it. I know I've been missing for a while, but it's that time. Okay. Have a great day. Take care and find lots of treasures. Hi guys, another fun hunt. It was great out there. I'd like to thank the California beach cleaner for lending his spare detector because mine's in the shop being worked on. Has a little glitch, but it should be back soon. So thank you, California beach cleaner, and I'll leave your link below. He has a 350 sub giveaway coming up, so he's like 15 short. So come on guys, give him some help, show him some love. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one.